Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna diagnose this truck right here. So you basically want to go ahead and hook up your computer to your truck to read the ABS. Try to get a pull up like this to see which tire not reading. For me is this tire right here, and this tire right here is not reading. And these are the codes that I have. So if you have these codes, I know it's flickering, but it's just the refresh rate of the camera and the computer itself. Let me see if I can brighten up the screen on the computer, see if that helps. Still don't help, but I know you can see those codes. So those are the code we have for the left rear wheel and so the left rear drive wheel would be this one right here. This one not here, not working, and that one over there is not working. So we have this one not working, this one not working. So what you want to do now is get your ohms meter, get your volt multimeter, set it to ohms, and you want to read the ohms. Also, you can just hit next step. You can launch it here, or you can launch it from here. Before we connect our meter, we need to select one of the codes down here. Alright, so that's not the code we want. We want to select the... Alright, so yeah, we're going to select that code right there. And so basically, this gives you like an overview of what's going on. So that's not the one I want. I want to select one for ABS and not I want to select one for ABS and not the ring, not the radar detection. Because if your radar detection if your ABS is off, your radar detection will be off too. So we're gonna go ahead and select this code right here. Scroll down a little bit. That one is inactive. We're gonna select an active code. Now we're gonna select this. It said additional axle. That's how they call it, but it's the second axle. That's what it is. We're gonna go ahead and scroll down. And this is gonna let you see additional axle. It's all the way in the back. So I'm looking at the right one. All the way in the back, so it's this one. They call it additional axle. So what we're gonna do now is scroll back up to the top because we are in overview right here. We're gonna go to troubleshooting task. Once we go there, so we're supposed to check. I said 3,000, I was way wrong. So it's 1500 to 2500 ohms. So that's what we are looking for. We're gonna check for resistance, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So guys, you want to chase your wires right here. This is your ABS sensor right here. So we want to chase the wire, come all the way up, right here, here. We run through there, go there, and we're gonna come all the way right here. So we unplug the wire. So we're gonna check the sensor side. If we check this, we're gonna check the sensor side first. If we check the sensor side and it's bad, then we're not gonna check the chuck side. We're just gonna go ahead and replace it. Let's go ahead and I'll just insert this in here so I can get both of my probe down in there. So we want to get our meter. We're going to switch it to that right there so we can check the ohms. Just like that. So now this is what I have because I get both probe to go down in there, so I'm just going to probe it from right here at the top. So guys, this is where we at, and That's I have them probe right there. That's what we had, and you know we should be getting between 1500 to 2500. So this is what it should be reading, 1500 to 2500 ohms, and we not getting nowhere close to that, so that's a bad sensor. Alright guys, so now we're doing the other one. That's the computer say it's bad. We're gonna put the things in here and see how much this read. So guys, if you put your probe in and you don't get any reading, you wait like a few seconds and then just swap them around. I don't have a tripod with me today, so I can't really put down and show you guys I'm working, but you should have basic knowledge, know what I'm doing when the camera is not on. Also, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so we have both of them in, checking it. This one not reading anything. So as you see, I have blue and red, red and blue, and black and black, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna swap it around, put it back in, and then we're gonna see what reading we get. Alright guys, you can see the swap. Now we start getting some reading, and it's still not up to 1500 or 2500, so this sensor is bad too. I also gonna go ahead and unplug one sensor, that's good, and get a reading from that, so you guys can see if you read in this in spec or out of spec. So guys, we have a good one right here that we connect up in, and you can see this right here. We're between 1500 and 2500, so this is a good sensor. So no need to, I'm just gonna plug this back in. This was just to show you guys. So guys, this is the new sensor. I already tested, like I show you how to test it. That right there. These go in here, and the test result is really good. So so it's time to install it. So I managed to get it in, and you can see the result right there. So we are in spec on the new one. The new one is good. I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one. So guys, that's the sensor right there. You have some sensor, you gotta take out the wheel. This one, I think I can get it out without take out the wheel and install a new one without take off the wheel. Alright, you can see it's coming. So we got it out, and this part we need to take it out too. So you can see the part that have the lip, have to stay out. So guys, after you clean out the hole, as you can see, I clean my out. You can see all the little dirt that come out of it. Just go ahead, put this in, make sure this side stay on the outside where the lip bent over. And then we just need to find the inner hole. Push that in. Once that's in, we want to get a new sensor and push it in all the way. Alright, so now I push it in. I push it until it stops. I can feel when it touches the ring on the inside. By the time I move, drive, and flex, it's going to push it to the spec it needs to be. Now we just need to zip tie this. Like, follow the zip tie that's on here, and bring it all the way back up to here, and plug it in. So yeah guys, the ABS problem is fixed. There's no more light on the dash. It's giving some inactive code for the radar and but I drive it and there's no codes come active for that. So yes, all is well. Once your ABS system is off, your radar and all that stuff will messed up too. So that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.